Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your English teacher here to teach you English. First of all, welcome to Darul Arqam School, Iqbal Town campus, Rawalpindi. I hope you all will be fine. And now this is your English period time. So all the students take out your English workbook and open it with me. Okay, this is your planner, week number 5. We are going to move on today. And we have completed week number 1 to 4. And now we are going to move on week number 5. I hope you are revising all the work we have done in 4 weeks before, because it's very important to learn that. Okay, so let's see what is the topic today. What is the period number? Week number 5, period number 33 we are going to do today. The first column of this week, period number 33, and the date is 20th May. You will write period number 33 here and date over here. It's 20th May. Let's see the topic. Articles workbook page number 36 plus 37 concept currents. Okay, let's open the page number 36 with me. This is the page number 36. First of all, you need to write date and day on the top of the page, and the topic is articles. We are going to learn about articles. So students, there are 3 articles in English grammar. What are those? A, an, or the. A, an, and the. There are 3 articles in English grammar. A, an, the. So let's read the use of these articles. First of all, we are going to read about use of the. The is an article and we are going to learn about how it is used. So students, let's read this. The is used before a noun. The is used before a noun. And what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or an animal. So it is the is used before a noun which describes a whole class of persons, places or things. So students, the कहाँ यूज़ होता है? द नाउन से पहले यूज़ होता है, उस नाउन से पहले यूज़ होता है जो पूरे क्लास को, पूरे होल क्लास को डिस्क्राइब करता है. कोई जगह हो या कोई एनिमल्स हो, प्लेस हो, थिंग्स हो या पर्सन्स हो. ठीक है, अभी लेट्स रीड द एग्जांपल्स. यू विल नो बेटर देन. फॉर एग्जांपल, द काउ इज़ अ यूजफुल एनिमल. हेयर वी हैव यूज्ड द. Before noun we used the. Now cow is a singular. You need to know this as well. The cow, now cow is, it is describing the whole class of cows. Let's see. The cow is a useful animal. Here the cow refers to all cows. यहाँ पे एक cow की बात हो रही है, लेकिन वो cow तमाम cows की रेफर्स कर रही है, उसके बारे में हमें पता चल रहा है. द काउ इज़ अ यूज़फुल एनिमल. वो एक फ़ायदेमंद जानवर है, लेकिन हमें ये भी पता चला कि तमाम काउस जितनी भी हैं, ठीक है, तो एक काउ की बात हो रही है, लेकिन काउ क्या है? इट इज़ रेफरिंग टू ऑल द काउस. व्हेन द नाउन इज़ इन प्लूरल, जब प्लूरल होता है, एक से ज़्यादा होता है, अगर हम यहाँ पे काउ की जगह एस लगा देते, काउज हो जाता, तो फिर द यूज़ ना होता. वी डू नॉट यूजुअली यूज़ द बिफोर इट. फॉर एग्जांपल, काउज आर यूजफुल एनिमल. ये देखिए, यहाँ पे काउ एक थी, इसलिए हमने द यूज़ किया. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा हैं, तो वी डिड नॉट यूज़ द. ठीक है, ओके. यूज़ द वेयर नेसेसरी इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. सो आई टोल्ड यू that when there is a plural noun, अगर नाउन प्लूरल है, ज़्यादा है एक से, तो फिर द यूज़ नहीं होगा. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल, नंबर 1, डैश द पीकॉक हैज़ ब्यूटीफुल टेल. Which article will use the? The peacock has a beautiful tail. Dash police help to maintain peace and order. The police. Now police is a singular, but it is referring to all policemen. ठीक है. Number 3 is the city is a noisy place. Places, there are many places in a city, but city को कह के हमने सारे places की बात कर ली. Now city is referring to all the places, all the noisy places in that city. So we will use the. The lion is a fierce animal. नाउ लाइन एक है लेकिन ये वो सबको रेफ़र कर रहा है, जितने भी लाइन्स हैं, ठीक है. सो वी विल यूज़ द. टाइगर्स आर carnivores. Now let's see here. Tigers. Here is not tiger. It's tigers. Now tigers are plural, so we will not use the. Okay. Use of the is used before the name of some statues, building, places, famous book, etc. देखिए, for example, almost every Muslim has a copy of the Quran. The is also used with some statues, buildings, places, famous books. The is used before some particular things. This is the girl who won the race. Particular things means some special things. कुछ खास हो जब तब भी the use होता है. Use the where necessary in the following sentences. Here are some sentences given to you and you have to use the. If you go to USA, you must see the Statue of Liberty. Why we use the here? Because here we read that the is also used before statue's name. Okay, the Statue of Liberty. The longest river in Pakistan is the Indus River. Now, the longest river एक है लेकिन वो रेफ़र कर रहा है सबको, but this is the longest river. Okay. And the Indus River, it is the name of river, so we will write the. The ship sailed across the Atlantic Ocean. Okay. So students, this was your today's lecture. You need to learn all the definitions, all the uses of the. You need to learn these 3 definitions of like how to use the. Okay. I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.